I'm still not 100% sure, but I have a feeling whatever he's holding is gonna be mostly over it. So let's give him something to hold. What are we holding? I'm just drawing glooby stuff on there right now. Okay, this is what you're holding. You're holding this thing. Oh, it looks like I see a little eyeball in there. Oh, I could make you a puppy dog. Okay, I might make you a puppy dog. Or a spider. A puppy dog or a spider. I just drew a puppy dog. He's a puppy. Alright. Or maybe he's like a